Welcome to Global Eats Uncovered. Hello, fellow food lovers and culinary adventurers. Welcome back to Global Eats Uncovered, your ultimate destination for exploring delicious, simple, and flavorful dishes from around the world. If you've ever found yourself wondering what you can cook using basic ingredients without the hassle of complicated recipes, you're in the right place. In today's episode, we're focusing on no-fuss cooking, delicious dishes with basic ingredients. The idea is simple. Great food doesn't need to be complicated. With a few essential everyday ingredients, you can create mouth-watering meals that will impress your taste buds without taking up hours in the kitchen. We'll take you on a culinary journey around the world, exploring recipes from various countries, showing you how basic ingredients like rice, beans, tomatoes, or simple seasonings can be transformed into flavor-packed dishes. Whether you're a beginner cook or just need a quick meal for a busy day, these recipes are designed to make cooking feel effortless, yet incredibly satisfying. So, let's dive in and discover how you can cook up some of the world's most delicious dishes without the fuss. 1. Italy. Classic tomato basil pasta. Ingredients: spaghetti or any pasta of your choice, canned tomatoes, garlic, olive oil, fresh basil, salt and pepper, Parmesan optional. Simple recipe: pasta al pomodoro. One of the simplest yet most delicious Italian dishes you can make is pasta al pomodoro. With just a few pantry staples, you can create a satisfying meal that bursts with the fresh flavors of tomatoes, garlic, and basil. This dish celebrates the beauty of Italian simplicity where quality ingredients do all the work. Step-by-step preparation. Cook the pasta, bring a large pot of salted water to a boil, and cook your pasta according to package instructions. Spaghetti is the classic choice, but feel free to use any type of pasta you prefer. Prepare the sauce. In a large pan, heat olive oil over medium heat and sliced garlic until fragrant. Add the canned tomatoes and crush them with a spoon to create a smooth sauce. Let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes to thicken. Season, add salt, pepper, and a pinch of red pepper flakes. If you like a little heat, combine. Once your pasta is ready, drain and toss it with the sauce. Garnish with fresh basil and a sprinkle of Parmesan. Modern twist. Add protein. For a protein-packed version, add grilled chicken, shrimp, or even chickpeas for a vegetarian option. Where to try it? Rome, Italy, the heart of classic pasta dishes. Italian restaurants worldwide, you'll find a traditional version of this meal in many trattorias too. Mexico, quick and easy guacamole with tortilla chips. Ingredients: ripe avocados, lime, tomatoes, onion, cilantro, salt and pepper, tortilla chips. Simple recipe: guacamole. Guacamole is a staple in Mexican cuisine, and it's incredibly easy to make with just a few ingredients. The combination of ripe avocados, fresh lime juice, and herbs creates a creamy dip that's perfect for snacking or as a side to tacos, burritos, or grilled meats. Step-by-step preparation. Mash the avocados in a bowl. Cut the ripe avocados in half. Remove the pits and scoop out the flesh. Mash with a fork until it's mostly smooth but still chunky. Add the flavor finely chopped tomatoes, onions, and cilantro, and mix them into the mashed avocado. Season, add lime juice, salt and pepper to taste. For an extra kick, add some chopped jalapenos. Serve the guacamole with tortilla chips for a perfect snack or appetizer. Modern twist. Add fruit? For a twist, try adding mango or pineapple to your guacamole for a sweet and savory combo. Where to try it? Mexico City, Mexico, where guacamole is a beloved dish at nearly every meal. Mexican restaurants worldwide, guacamole is a popular appetizer and side dish. 3. Japan. Simple miso soup. Ingredients: miso paste, white or red, tofu, firm or silken, seaweed, wakame, soy sauce, scallions, green onions, water or vegetable broth. Simple recipe: miso soup. Miso soup is a traditional Japanese dish that's quick to prepare and full of umami flavor. Made with miso paste, tofu, and seaweed, it's a perfect light meal or side dish that requires minimal effort. Step-by-step preparation. Prepare the broth. In a pot, heat water or vegetable broth. Once it's warm, add the miso paste and stir until dissolved. Add the tofu, cut tofu into cubes and add it to the broth. Let it simmer for about 5 minutes until heated through. Add the seaweed, add wakame seaweed to the soup and simmer for another 2 to 3 minutes. Season, add a splash of soy sauce and taste to adjust seasoning. Garnish, serve with scallions for extra flavor. Modern twist. Add udon noodles. To make the soup heartier, add some udon noodles or shiitake mushrooms for extra texture and depth. Where to try it? Tokyo, Japan, a city where miso soup is a staple in homes and restaurants alike. Japanese restaurants worldwide, miso soup is a common dish, often served as part of a traditional Japanese breakfast. For India, quick chickpea curry chana masala. Ingredients: canned chickpeas, onion, garlic, ginger, tomatoes, canned or fresh. Garam masala, cumin, coriander, turmeric, salt and pepper. Rice optional. Simple recipe. Chana masala. Chana masala is a flavorful vegetarian curry that's incredibly simple to make with pantry staples. Chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans, are the star of this dish, cooked in a rich, spiced tomato sauce. Step-by-step preparation. The base. Heat some oil in a pot and onion, garlic, and ginger until soft and fragrant. Add the spices. Stir in the garam masala, cumin, coriander, and turmeric. Let the spices cook for a minute to release their flavors. Add the tomatoes, add canned tomatoes or fresh diced tomatoes, and cook until the sauce thickens. Simmer the chickpeas, add canned chickpeas, and stir. Let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes to let the flavors meld together. Serve over rice or with naan bread. Modern twist. Add spinach. For extra nutrients, stir in some fresh spinach near the end of cooking, allowing it to wilt into the curry. Where to try it? Delhi, India. Known for its flavorful vegetarian curries. Indian restaurants worldwide, chana masala is a popular vegetarian dish on many Indian restaurant menus. 5. Greece. Greek salad with lemon dressing. Ingredients: tomatoes, cucumbers, red onions, Kalamata olives, feta cheese, olive oil. Lemon juice, oregano. Simple recipe: Greek salad. A Greek salad is refreshing, healthy, and simple to prepare. It's a great dish to serve alongside grilled meats, or you can enjoy it on its own for a light lunch or dinner. Step-by-step preparation. Chop the veggies, dice the tomatoes, cucumbers, and red onions into bite-sized pieces. Add the olives and cheese. Toss in Kalamata olives and large chunks of feta cheese. Make the dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together olive oil, lemon juice, and oregano. Then drizzle over the salad. Serve. Toss gently and serve immediately. Modern twist. Add grilled chicken. For a protein-packed version, you can top your Greek salad with grilled chicken or lamb. Where to try it? Athens, Greece. Where fresh local ingredients are used to create the perfect Greek salad. Greek restaurants worldwide offering refreshing Greek salads in every season. Simple, delicious meals from around the world. Cooking doesn't have to be complicated to be delicious. As we've seen today, basic ingredients can be transformed into satisfying, flavorful dishes from all over the world. Whether you're craving Italian pasta, Mexican tacos, or Indian curry, these simple recipes show you how to create vibrant meals in no time. Which recipe are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Global Eats Uncovered for more easy, delicious culinary adventures.